Alright, so we're going to be doing the cut and paste activity. Only some of you guys have this in your work packet, so double check your work packet if you have this. If you don't have this, then you'll be doing the think page, which is the other video on this slide. So for the cut and paste activity, we're going to first make sure that you have cut out all your options down here at the bottom so that we can cut and paste them into the correct spots. So we're going to match small pictures to large pictures. The first one is someone speaking. Speak, talk, talk. So we're going to match talk with talk. So where do we see the same? That one is talk. Sometimes if we feel stressed, it's good to talk to someone about it. Our next word, the icon is for feelings. So can we find a matching icon for feelings? Feelings are maybe if you're feeling happy or sad or upset or silly. There are lots of different emotions. Feelings. This icon is for the icon cause. So it means like if we see this one, this finger pushing the bricks here, the cause of the bricks to fall down is the finger pushing it. So it's because of something. Can we find the icon that matches with cause? Yeah, cause. This icon is the icon change. So it changes from one shape and color to another shape and color. These mean that people can be really stressed when there is a lot of change going on. It's one of our vocabulary words for this week. If you can find change. Our next one is this one. And what does this guy look like he's doing? He is exercising. He's exercising. We're gonna find which word matches with exercise. So sometimes people exercising will help them feel less stressed. Go out, maybe move their body around, get some fresh air. So that one is exercise. This icon here is one of our vocabulary words, and it means everybody. So everybody feels different emotions and feelings. Everybody can feel stressed. It means all people, right? That was one of our vocabulary words for this week. You can find the matching icon for everybody. This word, the word for this icon is stress, which is the topic of our article this week. Feeling stressed is maybe if there's a lot of changes happening, if we have something really important coming up, might make us worried, feel uncomfortable. We find the icon for stress. Yeah, stress. And then our last one is school counselor. So sometimes when people feel stressed, they can talk to a counselor, or they can talk to a family member, or they can talk to a teacher or other friends. What is school counselor? Can we find school counselor? It's our last one. School counselor.